Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about another question, that is delete duplicate value nodes from a sorted linked list. And this is what the question looks like on HackerRank. And let's now get started with the explanation. So for example, we have the following linked list, and in this case we have two pairs of duplicate nodes, that is 5 and 6. Now this is what the resultant linked list should look like with the duplicate node deleted. Now for this to happen, we'll be following the code as shown. So as you know that we do not manipulate the head, instead we make a new pointer and assign the value and later manipulate it in the code. So we'll be making two new pointers called P and Q. So P is equal to head and Q will be equal to the next of head, and then comes a while loop, that is while Q not equal to null. This means that we will be traversing the entire list, and so inside the while loop we have our if else condition. So if the data in P and Q is equal, we'll be following the if block, but if it's not, so for now let's discuss the else block first. If the data is not equal, then P is equal to Q and Q is next, that is we move both the pointers one step forward. So this is our P and this is our Q. Again the data is not equal, so again we move one step forward. This is our P, this is our Q. Same happens, and so this is our P and this is our Q. At this point our if condition will be satisfied, that is when the data in both the nodes is equal. And in this case we'll be making another pointer called temp and assigning it the value of Q. So temp is equal to Q, Q is equal to Q next, that is we move it one step forward, and now this is our Q. Now P next is equal to Q. This means that we are now forming the link between P and Q, and once this link is formed we can free temp, that is we can now break this link. Once this happens, since this is our P, this is our Q, and both of them are different, we will move one step forward again. So now this will be our P and this will be our Q. Again, this is the same situation where the data in both is equal. So this will be our temp, Q will move one step forward, and so this is Q, and P next is equal to Q. So we are now forming the link between these two nodes, and once this link is formed we can eliminate this link, that is free temp. So once this happens, this 5 and this 6, these two nodes are eliminated, and we will be able to get this desired linked list. And after this while block we simply have to return the head. Now let's code the solution. So let's now code the solution. So if head is null, we'll simply return it, and if it's not, then we'll be making two pointers P and Q. P is equal to head and Q is next of head. Now coming to our while loop, while Q is not equal to null, that is until the end of the list, we will be having our if else condition here. So if the data in Q is equal to the data in P, in that case we'll have another pointer called temp, which will be equal to Q, and then Q will move one step forward. Q is equal to Q next, and now we'll be forming the link between P and Q. So P next is equal to Q, and once the link is formed, we'll free the temp. So this is our if block, and if the data is not equal, so we have our else block where we'll just move one step forward. So Q is equal to Q next. Yeah, but before that, P is equal to Q and this. And finally, once we are done with our while loop and we come out of it, we just have to return the head node. So now let's run this, run the code. Okay, and now let's submit it. So yeah, it has passed all test cases, and I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.